Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the velocity of a particle at a specific time requires us to integrate the acceleration function and apply the given initial condition very quickly. First, we must integrate the acceleration function from 1 to 2.5 to find the change in velocity. Adding this value to our initial velocity gives the final speed. Using a calculator for this definite integral shows the velocity at 2.5 is approximately 0.74. Since this value is greater than 0, our velocity is positive. Finally, we check the acceleration at 2.5. Plugging it in gives a negative value, meaning the velocity is decreasing. This confirms our answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option B.